I'm getting them.
Thank you.
Move.
What the fuck? You got me fucking killed, bro.
Wait, what the fuck just happened?
We need more meds. We need more bullets. Who's got bullets?
I can make
Sell the helicopter. Yeah, make bullets.
Is
Make
gun
bullets.
radar?
Why the fuck would you be here, you weirdo?
Who?
Yo, also, I'm bringing the AK back, dude.
did you get off my stuff? It was just outside. I just died.
Nearly
Fine.
down. Nearly fucking down, boys. Nearly fucking down, boys. Nearly down.
Yo, I can't move.
Like 30 shots. We need more bullets. It's there!
Yeah, baby! Loot! Woo!
Yeehaw!
Too hot to loot. Too hot to loot. Too
Okay.
hot to loot.
I see.
Yeah, we gotta wait a bit. We gotta wait a bit. Where's the water gun?
I don't have it. It's on the server.
Wait, I have snow.
Did anyone bring a bit of corn?
Okay, that did nothing.
I'm impatient.
We did it, dude. We fucking did it,
We
dude.
did it,
I had
baby.
10 bullets left. I had 10 bullets left. Bro, did you die? I didn't die once during that whole fight.
Twice.
Did you lose an AK?
Yeah, I did.
Wait, somebody's smoking us. They're smoking us. We're getting attacked.
Guys, the AK is not my body. He looted me, you weirdos. He looted me. Sony looted my body, dude.
They're down there. They're down there.
Stop! Hassan! Why are you shooting at me?
Who is that? Who is that? They're so these guys are so fucking annoying, dude. They're just rats. Like, you're just fucking annoying. I have nothing. I can't even do anything. Yo. Hazmat. Thank you.
Where's all this action taking place at?
Above the hill.
They're here. Team up on the hill. Team up on the hill. Myths on the hill.
I
Up
don't
the
have
hill. I
any
think it's
range.
west, I think maybe. One to the right of us.
Anyone have any AR ammo? Anyone have any AR ammo? Northwest.
Yo, yo, yo!
Here. Here.
I need ammo. AK ammo. Fast.
Right,
Here, take,
he dropped
take.
some ammo here.
Take.
Did you guys get the loot?
I need help.
M24! We gotta kill these guys. Leave the rest.
There's Hassan hiding here.
Ooh, that's fucking beautiful. Sony, that you? Okay, I have C4 and shit. I wanna go. Well, yeah, I need heals ASAP. Who goes there?
It's me. Yo, do we have cloth anywhere?
Oh, rockets here. Put him in. I dropped rockets, but put it. Poke, where they at? Show me.
Down this way. You have a heal? One heal.
Nope,
Can you drop one heal?
Zero. Who's down there?
Give me a shot.
Do you have a spare gun by chance?
I have nothing.
Behind you.
Moist? No, I'm not shooting,
Oh, hey,
motherfucker.
Hassan.
Is that Moist?
Yeah, baby, what's up?
What's up, dude? What's going on?
Not much, man. I just got fucking blasted.
I got blasted out the ass like 4 times. It was fucking terrible.
Yeah, that's where it's happening over here.
Yo, Felix, don't let me get flanked, okay?
You heard the man. Behind!
What do we get for the jalapeno?
Mando, where?
Finish your gun. Anyone?
Good job. Behind the rock over there. He always does that and then feeds the fucking guns. Yeah, there it is. The fucking Blastoise special. I'm so done with him, dude. It's just fucking annoying, dude. By me. Where's Mendo at? I see him. Dead. I can't see a fucking pixel. Hit. They're over here. Who is that? Who the fuck even is this?
What's up? What's up, XQC?
Who is that?
You killed me. What's up, Dome Wrecker?
I was like, who?
I'm sorry we had to meet this way, man. You killed all my friends.
Wait. You know, we have all the tfue on the server, right? You're not gonna have a good time on the server, so good luck, man. Nah, I don't care. Don't even pick me up. Just kill me. Goodbye. Nah, don't pick me up. You're gone. You're never gonna have a good time.
Alright.
It's gonna be miserable, dude.
Hey. Oh, you're up. Listen, man, it had to be done. You killed my boys and the ladies.
Took my sniper. The gun rolled down the hill. I'll see it. It would have rolled downwards here, right? He would be over here somewhere. Yeah, on his back, yeah. Oh, you think I'm crying? Okay. I'm just gonna get the C4 and blow his entire base up. And that's it. No problem, dude. I'm not triggered. I'm about to win the game. Guys, the sniper's gone. He had it on his back, did he not? No, my sniper's gone.
Did you die?
I lost my sniper, yeah. Did he have it on his back?
It fell down the mountain.
I had over here, then I think I died over here. It would have rolled downwards here. And it would have rolled down with the physics. It would be around here. Nah, he has it. Who the fuck is this guy? Jesus fucking Christ, shut the fuck up, pussy. What is this garbage? Ha 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 ha! Guys, I'm typing that I laughed. Lol, 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 lol. Ha 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 ha. Can you guys look at me? I'm laughing, guys, look. Ha ha ha. Dude, what is that shit, dude? Who does this shit, fucking pussy?
Sniper on the... There's a sniper gun on the northern coast. Oh, hey, who's that? Hey guys.
Mr. Goblin.
Want a snowball? Ow!
Whoa! He was a nice guy.
Shut the fuck up.
What the hell? That's a nice guy. Hey, go die to a scientist. Don't make me do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Kill him.
What's going on?
Carl, kill him.
No! Oh. No!
Any last words? No! Nah, you don't have any words. Fuck you.